Hi everyone. Today we'll learn how to interface ESP32 with the ThingSpeak cloud. Today we'll learn how to send the analog sensor data to the ThingSpeak cloud. So basically, first open your internet browser, then search ThingSpeak. So ThingSpeak cloud. Search the ThingSpeak cloud. So basically, this cloud is also this. In this cloud, we can easily visualize the data. Only for visualization purpose, we are using this data. So visualization means you can send any sensor data like temperature, humidity, moisture, then gas, smoke, everything. So today I'm using some gas sensor and smoke sensor. Like I'm using MQ2, MQ6, a different type of sensor you can interface. Same steps here. So basically, first you open the ThingSpeak. Then first you have to create your account. If you don't have the account, then you have to click on the create one. When you click the creator, you have to give some basic details. Then after that your account will be create. So after creating the account, you have to log in the page. So for the login the page, after creating, you have to give your username and give the name and click on the next. Then you have to give your the password. So then click on the sign in. So when you click on the sign in, the interface will look like this. So previously I have something, so that's why it's showing that. But now I need to create a new channel. So this one is the new channel. You have to click on the new channel. So when you click on the new channel, it will ask something. So basically name. So in name you can give any name. So I'm giving that gas underscore sense, like that. Then you can add a description also, but here only I'm using only one sensor data, so I need only one value. So that's why in the field one required. So if I have multiple sensor like 2 3 sensor, then we need multiple field. So now I need only one, so that's why in the one I need smoke. So I need smoke, so my field name is smoke. So again, nothing you have to change anything. You don't have to change anything, just give the name also optional, but if you give the name, then it will be easy for you. And the field name also optional, you can give the any name, otherwise you can leave it. Then click on the save channel. So when you click on the save channel, your interface look like this, because I've created only one field, so it will showing like this only. Here no value is there because we didn't connect the sensor to the board or not uploaded. So first we have to interface this thing. So first what we have to change, so you have to click on the channel setting. The channel public view. In the public view you have to click there are different views, private views, public views. So different views is there, so you have to click on the sharing. So when you click on the sharing, here you have to remember this thing, you have to click on the share the channel with everyone. Okay, then after that you have to click on the API key. So this one is the API key. So I need in this program we need the API key, right API key. So this one is the right API key. If you generate new one, you also click on and it will generate the new API key. So remember one thing, you need only write API key, no need the read API key. So this one is my API key. API already I told that in previous videos. It's a cloud interface or application interface code. So we have to copy this one. Next we have to go to the program. So here I wrote the program already. So basically these two is for the ESP32 and the ThingSpeak. Okay, so this is the HTTP protocol we are using here. SSID, my hotspot name, password already I given, and this the API key. You have to put your own API key, These two also we have to change according our Wi-Fi name and password. And this is the API like the ESP32 server link, so no need to change this thing. And this one is the pin number. What are the, because now what the sensor I'm using, this is an analog sensor, so you have to check which pin is the analog. So now 34 of the ESP32 is the analog pin, so that's why I have defined 34. Then for the communication serial monitor I have given some value. So these are the program already written, so no need to change anything. Okay, so I'll add this program in the description. Then next, after checking all those things, first remember one thing, already I told that you have to click on tools, then board, ESP32 and dev module. Remember this thing, okay, before uploading the program. Then after that you have to connect your ESP32 board. You have to connect your ESP32 board, then click on the tools, then you have to select the port, whatever the port port it's showing. So now after that you have to upload the program. So remember, it will take some time, but remember one thing, we need change these three things only. These three things means your SSID, this one is for your SSID, like your Wi-Fi name, then this one is your Wi-Fi password, and this thing is the compulsory part. This one is the for the API key, for the API key of the ThingSpeak Cloud. Okay, so everyone, if you have other account, like if different account having different API key. Okay, so this one is the pin number, whatever the analog pin you are using, you can give the pin number here. I'm using the sensor pin, like the variable name is gas pin. Okay, so this one is the pin name of the ESP32. This pin name should be analog because I am using an analog sensor here. So now no need to change anything. And this here the API key only I am using only field one, so that's why only one field I require, so that's why I mentioned one field. If you want maximum field or number of field, then you can add this line, then it will be add the multiple variables, multiple fields. So basically these things are not required if you want to remove. Okay, no issue, but these two basically used for the checking the data in the serial monitor, so that's why we are using this line. And this delay is for after that 15, like 1.5 the duration. After this duration, after this delay, it will be sending again the value. You can modify the value also. And this is the value. Okay, here the value we are printing the serial monitor, so it will, you can easily visualize the data in the serial monitor also in the cloud platform also you can visualize your data. And this is the you can check your where which, like what your API key, like API is not API key, it's a local IP. Your IP address, it will print your IP address also. So you can remove this thing, this like serial print, serial print, and you can remove this thing because these things are not required for our program, because our main motto is we have to send the data to the cloud platform only. So if you want to send the data to the cloud platform, then okay. If you are not sending the data to the cloud platform, only monitor here in the serial monitor, then you have to keep all this thing here only. And here, if your Wi-Fi is connected, it will give you the IP address of which device you have connected. But if your device is not connected, it will print dot in the serial monitor. Remember this thing. If your Wi-Fi is connected, that time in your serial monitor it will give some IP address like 192.168 like this. If your Wi-Fi is not connected to the cloud, then it will print dot like this. Okay, now my program is uploading. So here it was showing the connecting now. Is like it's processing. If you are facing like this, like a connecting, here it's print connecting at dot print, that time you have to press the boot button, then after that it will start the program uploading. So it will take some time. Now my program is uploaded. So after uploaded, you can check here, you have to change the baud rate. So baud rate here already I mentioned 1,15,200. So here also you have to change 1,15,200. Okay, so now you can check the value is 4095 like this. This is the my IP address, like 172.20. So different phone having different IP you got. So these are the my value. So now we have to check this value. So I didn't connect the sensor here, so I'll connect the sensor first, then after that we'll check how to connect. So already I've connected my sensor. Now after connecting data, here it will be print the data. Okay, so leave now this one. So we'll check the cloud platform. So open your cloud, you can check public view. Okay, here this is the real-time data, you can easily visualize from anywhere. Okay, this is the initial period, what is the timing, what is the value you are getting, so everything it will change. So after some time, what are the time we have mentioned in the program, after the some time it will be value change. Like you can check the value will be changing here. Whatever the value whatever you are getting, same value you are taking, like you are showing here only. So in this time you can use the gas value, like this gas sensor you can use, smoke sensor use, and moisture sensor, soil moisture, everything you want to you can use this thing, but program is similar for everyone. But remember one thing, here I am using only one field. So you can check, these are the real time data you have got it. So this one is the basic one, like how to send all those things. So now and here the ESP32, sorry, the ThinkSpeak we are using only for sending or visualize purpose here. Or if you want to add some widget for visualization purpose, you can use. So I'm giving a 2 line graph. So here you can check the data also. Oh, sorry, something error is there. So if you are getting, so visualize is the optional one, but if okay, it's showing you data, then it's also okay. Otherwise, if you are it's here it's not showing, then no need, because the main part is here only. And here what is the timing, what is the value, everything you can visualize here. 2239 is my sensor data, that time which what is the timing here. So you can check in the 9:35. Okay, so you can check the data. So this one, and thank you for this.